Kaya, Koy, kung nanonood ka man ngayon, magpagaling ka kaagad.
Get well soon, Kokoy.
Sabi ko na naman sa'yo, huwag ka masyadong pupunta ng matabungkay at mag-swimming. Ayan, nainitan ka na naman.
Madalas kaya
Diba?
pang sumisid eh.
May sulat dito, Kuya Germs.
Oh.
Mababasa ko kaya ito, English eh.
Ah?
Hindi, basahin natin. Sulat sa akin ni Coco, mga kaibigan. My dearest Guy.
Oh.
Na, please accept this portrait as a gift from my heart. My birthday gift to myself was to give you a gift because doing so makes me very happy. I know it's not perfect yet, and if you like, I'll finish it in your home, if you like. Please take care of yourself and the portrait. I love you. Victor. Thank you, Kokoy. Uy, napa-English ako, ha?
Kokoy, may pangako ka rin sa akin, Kokoy.
Alam mo, Kuya Germs, mas
Kokoy, pag hindi mo ginawa, naku, gagawin kang awkward.
Di ba nung araw, di ba nung nag-guest, kailan ba yun? Last year, nag-guest sa atin